Now, I've got a confession to make in this video. I hate Clickbank. I hate it because people online have destroyed and disrespected the Clickbank name. If you look at all of these video titles about making $1 million on Clickbank within 24 hours and case study this and I made da-da-da-da-da-da, it has seriously ruined the reputation of Clickbank, a very, very, very legit and reputable and respected marketplace, maybe the #1 digital marketplace, affiliate marketing place in the world. In this video, I will be talking about how to promote Clickbank products, how to sell Clickbank products. I will be talking about how to make money with Clickbank, but I'm going to be talking about it in a way that is going to get you long-term results and is not going to be get rich quick with Clickbank and super fast and easy and make $1,000 by the end of this week. It's going to show you the fundamental flaw that people are continually making with Clickbank over and over and over. So if you're somebody who wants to make money very, very fast and a large sums of money with Clickbank within the next 7 days, you can click off this video right now, I won't be offended, and go check out the other Clickbank videos on the YouTube space. But I guarantee if you stick to the end of this video, you're going to understand a thing or two that you probably have not understood in the past. So if that's you, and if you're interested in it, go ahead and stay tuned for this video. All right, so one of my first tips with getting started with selling products on Clickbank is to make it worth it. And that is you want to find a Clickbank product that will give you recurring commissions. I always emphasize recurring commissions because you want to pick a product that is going to reward you month after month for promoting it. So let's say maybe you were to do paid advertising to a Clickbank product, you would earn your money back in the months to come because you would receive that recurring commission. So how do you pick Clickbank products that have a recurring commission? You simply go to the affiliate marketplace, click on any niche on the left hand side, and when you go to the products, you can sort by popularity, you can sort by gravity. Those are two really good things. But on the left hand side where it says average rebill, you want to put in a number, let's say for now above $10 or $15, whatever you think is a good recurring commission and worth it for you to really pursue that product and make sales on that product. And trust me, there are, average rebill sales out there that are upwards of $100 and even beyond $100. Now those would be the products that I would go for personally, but whatever you feel is the most suitable for you, whatever you feel the most comfortable with, whatever product resonates with you the most, and of course whatever niche you can relate to the best. That is the product that I would go with and test out first. Now my second tip, and you guys might not like this, is to go through the funnel of the product that you promote. You really want to understand the funnel, you want to understand the product, you want to understand your niche, and really want to understand what it is the visitors who are coming to your funnel, their funnel that's promoting the specific Clickbank product, you want to understand what experience they're going to go through, because at the end of the day, it's about the user experience of the visitor going through the journey of buying a certain digital product or whatever product you're promoting. Yes, if I were you and if you could afford to buy the product, I would certainly buy the product and understand why it works, understand the language they're using, understand the product, and if it's something that you can promote that relates to you, that you are passionate about, yes, go for that product. And don't worry, I'm going to go over an example of a Clickbank product that I would personally promote, so stay tuned for that. And the third tip I have for you guys when promoting Clickbank products is to establish that relationship with that visitor as fast as possible, whether that's with your personal brand or whether it's with a brand that you are building up. So of course, when I'm talking about building relationships, the #1 way on how to do that is to make the bridge page in your sales funnel phenomenal. Now, some of you may be familiar with the term bridge page, some of you may not. I'm going to go over it in detail right now. By having a bridge page means that you are going to need some type of sales funnel builder, somewhere where you can collect email opt-ins and where you can take your own customer, your own visitor through their own journey using your own sales funnel. So you can use Builderall, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use Kartra, lead pages. Facebook also has lead capture pages that you can build. There's tons of options. I will leave my #1 recommended sales funnel builders in the links in the description below, and also example videos of how I've built sales funnels before, so don't worry about that. All right, so as I continue along with this video, I'm gonna go ahead and use my computer so I can show you guys an example of what exactly it is that how I'm talking about. So when we're at clickbank.com and we're in the affiliate marketplace, and assuming you've already attempted Clickbank, you've created your account and all that great stuff, you've probably explored the marketplace, but the industry or the niche that I'm going to demonstrate today is the travel niche, because I think about what strengths I have and what passions and expertises I have, and travel is one of them because I am a digital nomad, right? So I could probably promote an affiliate marketing product within the travel niche with ClickBank, it would suit me really well because I have, you know, travel tips and I know a lot about travel. For this example, it's not the greatest product, but I'm going to demonstrate it because you'll see why. It's going to be really cool. So I'm going to click on this product and it has a sales page. This is a video sales letter page and it talks about the hidden airline loophole that lets you book $1,000 flights for $20 or less. So this is pretty cool. So you would watch the sales page and get to know it. So, and what I wanted to show you guys was the funnel that is going to help you up your conversions of sales like crazy. Let me explain this to you and break it down really quick. So you have your traffic sources, as you can see here on the right. So wherever your traffic comes from, this is what this is trying to convey right here. And by the way, I have a full in-depth video on all different types of traffic. I talked about paid traffic and free traffic. I go over, I think, at least 20 options in this video, so I will leave that right here, but click on that video, go watch it after if you're struggling with traffic. Anyways, back to the video. So you're going to have your traffic, which is going to go to your opt-in page. So let's say you're getting your traffic from YouTube or a solo ad or something like that. You'll have your opt-in landing page collecting names and emails. And once people click and opt in, that, you guys, is where the difference is made and where the magic happens because they land on your bridge page. A bridge page is something that bridges the visitor or the lead going through your system to the actual product. You can't just have people visit and go straight to the sales page. You can, it's not going to convert that well. The reason why a bridge page is so powerful is because you are going to talk about results-based stories, a testimonial, a reason why people will be so intrigued and they have to buy this affiliate product that you are promoting. All right, so let's continue our talk with the bridge page video, which is super exciting, which is going to get you crazy amount of conversions. Now, one thing, this bridge page is intended to be, you know, told by you. You're supposed to record the bridge page video, but in case you didn't want to, you can head over to fiverr.com, hire a spokesperson to do the video for you. They'll say exactly what you want them to say. It's very, very affordable, so I would consider that if you don't want to yourself do the video. So what you talk about in this video is the problems and the solutions, the results that you've had with this product. So I have here the problem before the product, results you got from the product, why you recommend it, and the bonuses you have to offer. So I'm going to delete that so you guys are not like, oh, what is that? But let's talk about what an example video would look like. So you would say, hey, my name is da-da-da-da-da, and with this product, this flyforfree.com, this product has helped me save $5,000 worth of round-trip travel within the first 2 months of using it. Before I did it, I could barely afford to travel from South America to Southeast Asia back to the United States. It was really taking a toll on my checkings account, but once I discovered this product, I was able to get round-trip flights for virtually $40, X, Y, and Z. So you get the idea. And this travel industry is very popular. A lot of people can relate to this. So they're going to be like, yeah, you know, I can totally relate. Flights are so expensive. So then you're obviously going to recommend the product. And not only that, you're going to talk about the bonuses you have to offer when people purchase this product through your affiliate link. So let me explain. Now, you guys have already probably seen it, but let me just put the bonuses back in there. I have influencer marketing kit, how to travel and work ebook, 10 travel work hacks on the road, 3 tips to get Wi-Fi for free. So these are my examples for this ClickBank affiliate marketing example, but these would be an example of bonuses I would offer for this product. And the reason being is because I have knowledge in all of these areas. Now, don't freak out. I have an entire video on how to make bonuses for your affiliate marketing offers. You can check that out here, and I'll leave the link in the description below. It's a really great video. You get a ton of value out of it, I promise. But the bonuses on top of the bridge page is going to triple and double and quadruple your guys' ClickBank affiliate sales because people love getting additional information. They love getting additional freebies. This works in any single niche you are interested in, I promise. All right, so don't get freaked out by the templates I use with it. I just used it because you're going to need more lines on your funnel page than just, you know, a video. So anyways, down here essentially is just another section of your bridge page where you're going to put the instructions on how people can receive your bonuses. So you put step 1, purchase the product here, and you'll have your affiliate link there. Step 2, make sure you email support@marissaeromero.com to receive your bonuses. Just make sure you give them step-by-step instructions on what to do. This is going to convert every single time. Now, I hope you guys really liked this example. And as you probably understand now, this is going to take a little bit of upfront work, maybe a month to figure this out and how to figure out a sales funnel building system where you're going to start with getting your traffic, how to combine the two. But I promise you, this is the best way to go when selling ClickBank products. Really, just ClickBank gives me a headache because people always talk about, you know, oh, I can't make sales with ClickBank. Well, how long have you tried? Like 2 weeks. Well, you should be really trying a minimum of 3 months, really 3 to 6 months. Guys, it's just, it takes time, just like anything. You have to respect it. You have to respect ClickBank, the products that are on there. These companies that have products in the marketplace, they're pulling in minimum $300,000 per year in sales. That's kind of the minimum standard for ClickBank, guys, and you guys can easily get a piece of that. So if they could produce an insane amount of sales with those products, you can too. I hope you guys got some massive value out of this video. If you did, comment below one thing you learned in this video. I'd love to know, and one thing that maybe I could show in a future video. I'm always looking for content ideas and stuff. My name is Marissa Romero. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I got some fire content coming up on this channel. Have an amazing day. Also, don't forget to click the #1 link in the description to find out my top recommended affiliate products. You guys have been awesome. My name is Marissa. I will see you in the next video. Take care.